Hello everyone, this is Leanne Allegretto at the National Weather Service in Missoula. I'll be walking you through your planning briefing for the next several days and all the very active weather that we actually have coming up. So let's take a look at where all that active weather is coming from. As you can see right away, there's a giant circulation just off the British Columbia coast that's wrapping intense moisture into the Pacific Northwest coast and eventually into the Northern California coast as well. And then if you look further west to the Aleutians, we have another system hot on its heels that will bring another round of precipitation as well. So, the one right next to the coast currently is a very powerful storm. It's a deep low pressure system and has a lot of moisture associated with it. It's what we call an atmospheric river. So, it's pulling in a lot of moisture off the Pacific and will drop a lot of it over the western United States. So here's some key points about what we're expecting. The atmospheric river will impact the western United States with very impressive precipitation totals Friday through early next week. And we will also be impacted during that same time frame. We will see periods of precipitation along with a noticeable cool down in temperatures, as well as accumulating snow in terrain of about 5,000 to 6,000 feet and higher, with valley rainfall likely. Now, there could be some snow down to valleys by Tuesday of next week, but we'll get into that as we get going in this presentation. Here's an animation showing that massive low pressure system off the coast of Washington, and as it tries to head inland, it's going to eject moisture into our neck of the woods and bring about mountain snowfall and valley rain. And then another shot here, this is Thursday of next week. So we start Friday. Here's Friday, October 22nd. Saturday, October 23rd, the moisture kind of moves out. We get a little bit of a break. And then by Sunday, we're right back to it. Another giant low pressure off the Pacific coast, wrapping moisture into the Northern Rockies Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week. And this is when the snow levels will drop to about 5,000 feet. They could get a little lower than that, maybe, down to 4,000 feet at its very lowest, and bring snow to some higher valleys by Tuesday and Wednesday. So very active period, a lot of moisture to talk about, but some breaks in between the moisture for us. So here's some storm total rainfall, precipitation estimates between October 24th and October 28th. There's moderate confidence that the highest precipitation amounts will occur along the Montana-Idaho border in Clearwater County and Idaho County in Idaho. The valleys in this area could see up to 1 inch of rainfall, or a rain-snow mix depending on how low the snow levels actually do go. And then elevations of 5,000 to 6,000 feet and higher will see up to 2.5 inches of water equivalent, which should fall as snow. If that were all to be melted down, it would equal about 2.5 inches, maybe even 3 in the highest areas. Now, exact snow amounts are still in question at this time because it's still pretty far out there in the forecast. And what about to the east? Well, we have low to moderate confidence in rainfall or precipitation amounts further east into western Montana and even southwest Montana. Here's a general forecast timeline of what we're expecting for us here in the Northern Rockies. So beginning late Friday, we're expecting scattered valley rain, mountain snow above 6,500 feet, and that will last into Saturday morning. Throughout the day Saturday, precipitation is expected to taper off. However, temperatures will remain cooler. Sunday is the next round when it starts to ramp back up. Rain returns to valleys, and snow will start increasing in terrain above 6,500 feet once more. Temperatures at this time will also start to drop rather noticeably. Then Monday and Tuesday, probably our most active days, snow levels will begin to drop to 5,000 feet, bringing snow to high elevation valleys and rain for most other lower valleys. Also, a more noticeable drop in temperatures could be felt. And as we mentioned earlier in earlier slides, central Idaho is expected to receive the greatest amount of valley rain and mountain snow, with precipitation amounts of anywhere from 3/4 of an inch to 2.5 inches. Our weather threat matrix right now, we have snow at passes highlighted on Friday, Sunday, portions of our area on Monday, and portions of our area on Tuesday. Now, as we get closer and more details come to light, the impact level could rise from low to moderate, maybe even high if the situation changes in that direction. But for right now, we're expecting low impacts with snow at passes to be the biggest concern through this time period. How about looking out 8 to 14 days? Well, we kind of stay in the same regime. We've got above normal precipitation chances for our neck of the woods in western Montana and central Idaho. And we'll stay near normal for temperatures, but you can see we're kind of creeping in between warmer than usual and cooler than usual. So we'll see how that shakes out. And then today, the winter outlook for the winter season 2021 to 2022 was issued today. And I thought I would throw this in there just to show you that we are in a La Nina pattern, which means we have a better chance at cooler temperatures most often and a better chance at having wetter conditions most often during the winter season. Thank you so much for watching. Please join us at our next briefing, which will take place on Sunday, October 24th, and we'll have plenty more details about the rest of the week, or I should say the beginning of next week into the rest of the week, as far as snow and rain. Thank you.